There is a new update from Tesla's Fremont factory. Tesla is drastically accelerating the production of its cars at the Fremont factory and accelerating the Model Y deliveries from the Fremont factory. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. I have exclusive videos for you sent by one of our friends named Tim. Tim sent me two exclusive videos from the Fremont factory. He drove back last Saturday, May 30th. Showing that he sees about 15% more cars, new cars at the parking lot than he saw the same time last year. But in the meantime, please subscribe to our channel for more news, and also like this video to show your support and appreciation of Tim who went and also took this video for us and sent it. So here's what Tim writes me. Ever since Tesla reduced the price of its new cars, I wanted to come back to check how they were doing at the Fremont factory. So I did on Saturday morning around 10 a.m. What I found pleased me. I saw Tesla is busier than ever. I was there to watch at near the end of the Q4 last year. Just from my gut feeling, I sense there is about 15% more cars than before. Trailers are lined up to pick up the cars, and I can sense there are noticeably more Model S and Model X vehicles compared to the ratio from last month. So I feel very good. People may be wondering, what can Tesla do with 6.5 weeks at Fremont? I think Tesla may surprise us with its Q2 numbers. Okay, and you're saying this video that Tesla sent us. Let me know what you think Tesla can do in 6.5 weeks. Can Tesla surprise its shareholders with the Q2 numbers? We're going to find out. But in the meantime, Tesla has accelerated its Model Y delivery timeline, and it's not clear why. The automaker might have managed to accelerate production, or demand is down, or both. We don't know. After Tesla restarted production at Fremont factory earlier this month, we reported on Tesla updating its Model Y and Model 3 delivery times. For Model 3, the automaker changed the delivery timeline for new orders from 4 to 8 weeks or 5 to 7 weeks. Model Y didn't have a timeline before the shutdown, since Tesla just started delivering previously reserved vehicles, but it was set to 8 to 12 weeks for new orders after Tesla restarted production earlier this month. Now, just 2 weeks later, Tesla has drastically reduced the Model Y delivery timeline for new orders to just 4 to 8 weeks in the United States. Tesla is a significant reduction. I mean, this is a significant reduction in delivery delay for a brand new model for which Tesla has been accumulating reservations for over a year. So what is happening? Let's consider different ways. We previously reported on Tesla using the factory shutdown to update its Model Y production line in order to accelerate the ramp up. We think this is certainly playing a role in accelerating timeline for new orders, for it's definitely not normal for a new Tesla model to have new orders available within 4 to 8 weeks after only what adds up to barely a month of deliveries. For example, what Electric says they think it's happening is that Tesla has its smoothest production ramp of any new vehicle to date, on top of having a demand issue with the global virus situation. We have heard from dozens of owners who decided to cancel or delay their Model Y orders due to the economic downturn, and some were also disappointed by how Tesla and Elon Musk handled the shutdown order. But I think, during the time of economic downturn, when people don't have jobs because of this virus, buying a new car, especially an expensive Tesla car, may not be on the top of their list. They have to feed their families, they have to feed their children. So we think the demand problem have also led to Tesla price cut last week for every vehicle except Model Y. Of course, Tesla is not alone having important issues selling cars currently. Virtually every automaker is seeing a massive downturn in demand. There is no doubt that Tesla still has an important backlog of orders for Model Y in other markets, but with Model Y deliveries only happening in the US right now, Tesla is limited in demand, and it's working through its backlog of people still willing to take delivery a lot quicker. What do you think? Now, what I just said regards to Tesla Model Y, but as you saw when Tim sends these videos that you are seeing running on your screens, he specifically mentions that, I quote, "and I can sense there are noticeably more Model S and Model X vehicles compared to the ratio from last month, so I feel very good." So things with Model S and Model X may be going really well, but with Model Y deliveries, either it's the downturn and the demand issues, or Tesla may have really upgraded everything and is able to turn things quicker, accelerate the production, and deliver things in much quicker time. We're going to find that out during the second quarter. But in the meantime, if you have any thoughts about this, any comments, please let's continue the discussion in the comments section below. Thank you, Tim, for sending me these videos. And friends, if you have any tips, you would like to send me some videos to report on our channel, please send me. You can find my email at the about page of our Torque News YouTube channel. And in the meantime, please stay safe these days, stay home, and God bless you, your families, and I'll see you in our next report. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for more news daily, the Tesla news, and I'll see you in our next report. See you soon.